In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix my Samsung phone not scanning QR code. First, we need to ensure that QR code scanning is enabled on your device. Start by opening the camera app. You will see your camera viewfinder on the screen. This is the main interface where you can capture photos and videos. Next, look for the settings icon, which looks like a gear. You can find it usually in the top corner of the screen. Tap on that settings icon. This will take you to the camera settings menu where you can customize various features of your camera. Now locate the option that says Scan QR codes. Make sure to toggle it on. This step is crucial because without it enabled, your camera will not recognize QR codes at all. Once that's done, you will be ready to scan QR codes effectively. Now that QR code scanning is on, let's move on to the photo mode. Open the camera app again if it's not already open. You will see a few different modes available such as video, photo, and more. Tap on the photo mode to select it. This mode is specifically designed for capturing still images, and it's where you want to be for scanning QR codes. Now point your camera at the QR code you want to scan. Make sure the QR code is well lit and clearly visible within the camera frame. Wait a few seconds for the link to appear on your screen. This might take a moment, but it's important to hold your phone steady. If your camera is focused correctly, you should see a notification pop up with the link or information encoded in the QR code. This feature saves you time by allowing you to access useful information quickly. Next up, let's explore the built-in QR scanner on your Samsung phone. Start by swiping down from the top of the screen. This action will reveal the quick settings panel where you can access various shortcuts. Look for the option that says Scan QR code. It may appear as an icon that resembles a QR code itself. Tap on it to activate the QR scanner. Your camera will immediately turn on and be ready to scan. Now simply point it at the QR code you wish to read. Keep the QR code within the camera frame until it is recognized. This built-in scanner is a convenient alternative that works even if you don't want to use the camera app directly. It's a handy way to ensure you can access QR codes without extra steps. After you scan the QR code, a notification should appear on your screen. This notification will provide you with a link or information that the QR code contains. Tap on this notification to proceed. You will be redirected to the content or website linked to that QR code. This step is important because it confirms that your scanning process was successful. If nothing happens, double-check that you are holding your phone steadily and that the QR code is well lit. If issues persist, revisit the previous steps to ensure everything is set up correctly. By following these steps, you can effectively troubleshoot any problems related to QR code scanning on your Samsung phone. From enabling the scanning feature to utilizing both the camera app and the built-in scanner, you have the tools to resolve QR code issues with ease. With practice, scanning QR codes will become a seamless part of your phone experience. Thank you for watching, and happy scanning.